More quick ones coming through the shop. 2 slabs. We're gonna join these together. Get it back to my brother. Now that we got them jointed, we got them laid out, I flipped this over because we're gonna favor the biscuit to the back so that when he carves his design in it, he doesn't inadvertently carve down to where the biscuits will be at. So I've gone and labeled them. I got a B, a number 2 on this one, and a right, so R, and I got a B, a number 1, and an L for left. So it just helps me keep track of things. Probably put 5 biscuits in this one, so there. So the overall of this side looks better, but there's a big knot up here. So this will unfortunately be the back, so we will mark it accordingly. Using number 20 biscuits. These become plaques and retirement things and all sorts of stuff. This clamp on the top with the space and these wedges, he seemed to let everything dry nice and flat, and then he's able to CNC and turn it into something that he sends down the road to somebody else. So, well, it's been 24 hours and we are ready to pull the clamps off of these. Also very flat, very happy with that. This is the back in this case, but I still like to get the glue off. Maybe a little sandpaper first, I got a hump there. All right. All right, that really just helps that glue line just disappear. All right, I'm not gonna bore you with sanding the other one, card scraping. It's the same exact process. This one's ready to roll. Get into the quick one. These panels are from a temporary puppy kennel. So my brother had puppies and he used this to kind of keep the puppies corralled until they're old enough. But this thing didn't work particularly well and he was gonna just throw it away and burn it, but this stuff cost money, so I took it, we're going to throw some hinges on there and some little quick clamps, clasps, that will allow it to be disassembled easily, put together easily, and then stored when he doesn't need it. All right, so there's one. We did all 4 corners. This one's dialed in. We're gonna do the same thing on the other 4 small ones and then on the large ones. Once we get this wrapped up, we'll throw some hinges on there, bring you back when we're doing that. Now, we've got a couple of latches we're going to put on the outside of these wings so that these can just be clipped together, click, click. That will allow this to basically be put in place, decent size. It'll keep them all in one place. Go ahead and get these installed, take a look at how it works. We made it basically stackable, so hopefully he has a good place to put this at. It should be easily transported, and it's easier to set up at this point also. There you have it. So this will be the new temporary kennel dog pen for his puppies when he has more puppies here shortly. Pretty happy with that. I think he'll be happy with that. It's gonna wrap up this quick one. Hope you guys enjoyed. On to the next one. Another quick one. One of the other common things that come out of the shop are school projects. So my daughter is working on a project for the Red Scare. So we're going to start slicing up some plywood, door skin, give it a little more depth of feel, a little more appearance. And I get to work with her in the shop, teach her how to use power tools, which is always fun. Okay, so how many tiki marks?
3.
4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect.
Keep it locked.
Lock it down. Grab your board. Okay, so turn on your saw. Nope, turn on your blower, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna do this. So where are you at? How many are we going?
4.
2 of the 1/8 inch mark. So tap it over, come on, move it. That's there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Set your board up. Make sure your fence isn't gonna get chopped up. You're gonna look. There you go. Look good? Oh, it looks beautiful. Good job. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yep, there you go. You're good. Figure out the measurement over here. So you're about in the middle, which is okay. So you go. We were there, right?
Mm-hmm. So 1,
2, 3, 4. A little bit more, tiny bit. There you go. Lock it in. Does that look about a 1/2 inch to you? Doesn't quite look that way to me. No, we didn't go enough. There, lock it down. Okay. Now this gets a little tricky because the board is wider than it is long, so you got to go nice and careful with this. Okay.
mm-hmm.
That over. You know where it's going, right?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
This goes on this one.
On here?
Please take it for my drive line now. Thank you.
Just like that.
Oh, this is heavy.
All right, we're gonna wrap up another quick one here. So a lot of home projects, a lot of school projects come out of the shop. This was a fun one. Get to work with my daughter on some of the power tools in the shop. She does a fairly good job. Doesn't chop her fingers off. She's got all 10 fingers today, so we did well. So a little short clip here and on to the next project.